In this video, we'll migrate the RTA car starter kit from 9.2.1 to 12.3.2. Pre-requested. Compiler version and OS port version is the most important in this project. If this is not correct, an error may occur during the build. When using CMake version 3.29.0 or C3, there is an issue that the memory address changes with each build. Also, you have to install Macau plugins. This video only covers steps 1, Application Software Configuration, through 3, ECU Configuration. Through this video, you can create ECU instance and system description. First, create the RTA car project in Workspace. In this project, we'll use TC39X with Tricore Tasking 5.0.24. After a few seconds, the project will shown in left side of RTA car window. After creating a new project, you can create your own data types, but in this video we will use default data types. Create a new port, sender-receiver port interface. When configure the project, we recommend that you use the directory properly. Next, add the variable data prototype in sender-receiver interface we made. And set the VDP short name and VDP type ref with uint8. If you create port interface, you can create SWC, software components. We'll create 2 SWCs with senior interface. When create SWC, you have to set ports. P port is provided port, and R port is required port. Also, you have to create internal behavior to set runnables, functions, and events for each SWC. When set the runnables, some settings have to be set. In this case, data access points is used. Detailed description of settings are not covered in this video. After you create whole SWCs, you can connect the ports between each SWCs. These connections are important for data transmit. iSolar AB tool allows connection automatically as well as manually. If you use automatic connection, it depends on the default rules and the rule you set. Next, create ECU instance and system info. Then, set the system info's main properties, category as system_description, and 1.0.0 as a version. Open the mapping editor and set root software composition. Now, drag the new system mapping to create system mapping. And map the components in ECU instance by drag CPT icons. After set whole things, you can create ECU extract. If it created, the flattened view will appear. It is represent all assembly connectors, not delegation connectors, so you can check connections inside of ECU. Then, you can generate ECU configuration to BswM configuration description files. In this video, you can create SWCs with sender-receiver port interface, ECU instance, system description and ECU extract and configuration. Next video will discuss about necessary BswM modules for execution time-based tasks.